I have a 2005 Volvo XC90. It's a 2.5 liter. Problem I'm having is that the fan knob does not respond to a change. So you'll see right here it's got 3 green LED or whatever lights there lit up. When I turn it, it doesn't respond. The blower motor and resistor under the passenger side have both been replaced. It's brand new. The one that was taken out didn't look particularly worn, or didn't look like there was any burn marks on the attachment between the resistor and the wiring. Even if I change the temperature knobs, that doesn't seem to adjust the fan speed. Periodically, just sort of at random, it will adjust itself, or I may have the opportunity to adjust it, but then it simply goes back to where it doesn't respond at all. However, the blower motor obviously, I believe, works, because if I do something like the defrost, you'll see it kick in right away, and it gets much louder and it's going full blast. So if it's defrosting, I have no issue with defrosting, and then I just have to kind of go back here. So essentially what I have to do now is just kind of adjust the climate control temperatures or change the fans in case it's either too hot or too cold, or it just gets annoying with the blowing. This part I have removed from the dash just to see if there's anything there. The little sensor wiring piece that's in there seems to be okay. But at this point, since I've replaced the blower motor and resistor with brand new parts, I'm kind of at a loss as to what the issue would be. It's been going on for about 2 years now, kind of intermittently. I noticed a couple times when I first replaced the battery in the back, or if I was unhooking the battery to change something else, that once I reconnected the battery, it might work for a little bit of time, but then it would just go back to not working. So I'm been doing a lot of research online, seeing if anybody has any ideas about what it is. The most common one seems to be the blower motor and resistor, which again have been replaced. It does seem like there's a little sort of metal bearing or something that from the reverse you can see that is what connects to this when it turns. It seems to be working okay. When I remove this climate control piece, I've heard about sort of the climate control module, but I'm just not sure what my next step might be to kind of replace it. So again, you know, everything seems to work. I can adjust all of the high, middle, and low on where the air blows and circulates. I can get the AC on, and it does get nice and cold. Going from manual to auto, off, none of those functions seem to allow the speed to kick in. So if you have any ideas, or if you've gone through this, you have any thoughts, I'd greatly appreciate it. Again, 2005 Volvo XC90, great car. Done a lot of work on it and replacing preventative maintenance. It's just this one seems to be the one that I can't find a resolution to, and the places that I've been to, they also either don't want to touch it, or it's not something that they're familiar with, or that they know how to fix. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks very much.